started?
I think this was it.
Yeah, exactly. I think this one is a,
Yeah.
yeah. So just go up. Good. So this is all about the data architecture, right? So in a data architecture, we have unstructured data, which can be stored in a hard disk,
Yeah.
which can be stored in a blob, which can be stored in a data lake, right? And then a structured data, which can be stored in MS SQL and which can be stored in Cosmos DB, right? So, and then we say that all data is going to store the background storage. So the Azure storage is having a two kind of a performance. One is called premium, which is a very high cost, right? Because it uses SSD disk. And second one is a standard storage, which is a less cost, but its performance is also less, right? Because it uses the magnetic disk, right? Then these, whatever the data you are going to store, Azure offer you a multiple type of high availability, right? So one is called LRS. LRS means 3 copy of your data will stored in same data center, right? ZRS means 3 copy of data will stored in a different data center within a availability zone, right? And then we have a GRS, which will create a copy of your data to other region as well. So we have seen that replication one, right? If you remember, Kriti?
Yeah.
Okay. We have seen that how the LRS can be created, how the ZRS can be created, how the GRS can be created. Then we have stored the data, right? Now let's review something else today. So go back to the portal. I think you closed that one. Oh, yes. So go there and click the storage account on the top in a search box. Cool. Click add. Yeah, very good. Yeah, just give it any name like Preeti 1234. I think this will be all should be a small. The storage does not
Always
take.
do that.
Okay, good. And now you remember we have a, yeah, we have a two performance level, a standard
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
premium, right? And then we have a replication. So in a replication, you have a multiple option. Last time we see that RAGRS, right? So it has a two copy of my data and we get a two endpoint URL, right? Now, today we just have another lab. So let's select the first one, which is called locally redundant storage. Go ahead, next networking. Next. Yeah, if you want, you can turn on soft delete for a block. Otherwise, we can move next. Next. Just say review and create. Say create. Good. Now, what we are exactly creating is a blob storage. Okay. So go back to home now and go to the storage account and let's check what is happening. Yeah, it is being created. Okay. In the meantime, it is created. You have to connect. Yeah, it's created now. Okay. Very good. Go to the resource. Go to the resource. I think it's not happened. Can you click refresh? Yeah, it's created. Click that one. Yeah. Click that one. Now it is showing you the container, right? So
Yeah.
click container. Let's create a container. Make it a sales. Oh, a small.
I always forget that.
Yeah. For a storage, you have to use a small.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you have a three kind of an access, right?
Yeah.
Private,
Power.
blob, and container, right? So click container for an example. Yeah, click create. Now in this blob, in this you can create one more storage, maybe for marketing. Create one more container. Yeah, all good now. Good. Now on your desktop, create a file, give it a name test. Go to
Okay.
your desktop,
Yeah.
or maybe in a C drive or something.
Yeah.
So here create a folder. Okay. Just right click and say new folder, right click.
Yeah, I know I'm doing it. Oh, come
So
on. Yeah. Taking a little time.
yeah,
And then for test.
yeah, test. Then double click it, double click it, and now right click and create a new text file. New text file. Yeah, text document. Yeah,
This is it?
yeah, this one. Yeah,
Okay.
give it a name test. Enter. Just enter it.
I did.
Double click or enter, both will work same. Just type this is my test file. Okay, just close this down.
Save or just close it out.
Yeah, just close it. And when it is asking, just say save. Now go ahead and upload this file.
Okay.
Go back to Azure portal. Click sales. Click upload. Now what is saying that? Upload blob, right? So your file is known
Yeah.
as blob when it is stored in container. So click that blob. Yeah. Go to desktop, C drive, I think. Yeah. And then say, hey, but you cannot upload a folder, right? Right? It only say
Yeah.
that you can only upload a file. Number one.
Right. Yeah.
Notice this,
Yeah.
right? Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Double click the test now. Click test. Click open. So it click upload. So it means that in container we cannot create the folder. Okay.
But you can create the file.
Only you can create a file, right?
Okay.
So what will
Mhm.
happen if in a sales department I want a 4 folder, maybe
Okay.
US sales, India sales, then it is not possible, right? You have to create 4 container itself,
Okay.
right? Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Now you click this file, click this file. Yeah. You get the attribute. One of the attribute is URL, right? You remember?
Yeah.
Yes. So copy the URL and you can send to anyone. And when they put this URL in a browser, what will happen? You will see the text. Go back.
So I better open a different
Yeah.
tab.
No, just no problem. Click here. Click the plus sign. You see?
Yeah.
Paste that. This is what we did last time. We are repeating the lab. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So your file is get open. If you want to block this, then you have to just change the permission. Correct?
Yeah.
Right? Good. Now what will happen? Go back. Just close this one. Now let's say I am a sales department employee. Okay. I want to upload or download the file from my folder. Then what you should do? Should you allow them to log into Azure portal? Because who store the data? It's a user, right?
Yeah.
But user do not know what is Azure.
Oh, yes.
Correct? User is not aware
Yeah.
what is Azure.
Mhm.
So for the common user, Microsoft has created an FTP client which is called Azure Storage Explorer. So go to Google and type download Azure Storage Explorer.
Can I type Google here too?
Yeah, just .com. Enter. Just type Azure, and then say Storage Explorer. Correct. So you have Azure Storage Explorer download. Just type download word also. All good now. So you will get the second one.
This one?
Yeah. Yeah. Just it's a small utility, right? So what it does, it is used to user can use this utility to connect to Azure storage and upload and download the data. Simple. Okay, just click download now. Click download now. Yeah, click that one. Yeah, say install for me only. Yeah,
Install.
yeah. Next, next. Yeah. So where you will install this tool on the user laptop or desktop who want to upload or download the data from Azure storage account.
Then we have to probably tell them to do all this because They might not know, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Click finish. I think it is launching. Just click on your taskbar and able to see that it is it is already open. Yeah, click that one.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Okay. So now this one, but the problem is how the user is going to connect your Azure. So it give you multiple method. Okay. Method one, if you have a Azure account, you can log in using an Azure account. But for
Okay.
every user, we are not going to create an Azure account, correct?
Yeah.
Azure account is only for administrators, right? So how
Okay.
this user is going to connect and how the Azure allow this user to connect with that. So we have another method which is called connection string. You see there, use a connection
Connection string. Yeah.
string. So click that, use a connection string. Yeah, say next.
Yeah.
Now it is going to ask you that, hey, do you have a connection string? So from where we will get the connection string? Now go back to the Azure portal. Google,
No, I'm looking at it.
just click on background. Your background is Azure only.
Yeah.
Okay. Go back to Azure, first tab.
Yeah.
Now go back to your storage account, Preeti1234. It's showing on top. Now here you get something called access key in a setting box.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, click that one. Are you getting something called connection string?
Yes. Here.
Yes. Click
Uh,
show key. Click show key on the top.
show key. Okay.
Now you have a copy button highlighted. Just copy that in a connection string. Go to the last. You have a copy button.
Yeah. This one.
Both can work. You have a two key now. Key one, key two. So any key can be used. Yeah.
Ah. Okay.
Go back now.
Back now. Yeah.
Below, just paste below. Automatically take your name, right?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Say next. Say connect. Now it is connected. So it's a pretty
Mm.
1234. Click that one.
Mm.
Click that one. Preeti 1234. Now you have a blob container, right? Click blob
Mm.
container. Expand it. Expand that. You have expand option.
Uh.
Just a start of the blob container. There is one icon. Just click that. That is it will expand. It's written
I
blob
don't.
container now. Before that there is one icon. Again there is one icon. In a blob container where you are,
Yeah.
before B, what is that? There is one icon, right?
This one.
Yeah, this one. And yeah, this one. Just click that one.
Yeah. I
Yes.
was like, okay.
Okay. So now you get your both container. Click sales.
Uh-huh.
Now you get your upload option and download option both available there. On
Mhm.
right. So
Yeah.
you can upload and download from here. So let's upload another file, new file. Yeah, yeah. Just say selected file, click three dot on top. Yeah, just select anything. Yeah, yeah. Say upload. Yes, correct. The file has been uploaded.
Yeah.
Same way you can download the file also, right? Correct.
Yeah.
So, but here, if someone has this key, Preeti, they
Mhm.
just like an administrator. They can do
Oh.
anything. For example, can you try to create one container?
Uh-huh.
Just right click blob container. Just right click blob container. Oh, you can create, right? Create
Oh.
new, yeah, create new one. Just type any name, maybe IT. Yeah, small. Yeah, yeah. Enter. Just enter. ITS. Yeah, enter. Yeah, it's created, right? Because the key which we have given is meant for administrator.
Yeah.
Okay. So what happen if I only want to restrict this user to do connect the Azure storage, but he should only read, he should not create, he should not download, he should not upload, right? So if you want to give a restrictive permission, we have
Mhm.
another thing. Okay. So just can you on this, there is a one black border. You see the black border in this tool on your left hand side. There's a black color border. In this tool, there is a black color border.
Where was that?
In the right hand side, extreme right. No, that is left. Sorry, left hand side. Go to left hand side.
Mhm.
Yes. More left. Yes. Go up, up, more up, more up. Yes. Click that one. Yes. Right. Let's add a new account now. So again, present the same screen, right? Now you
Mhm.
have another option which is called use a shared access signature. Correct?
Mhm.
Right? Click that one. Go next. Now it is asking you for the share access signature. How I have to create this one? Go back to the portal. Click on your background. Yeah. Go back below. After access key in a setting, scroll down. You see there is something called shared access signature. That is a fifth number. After access key, that is a fifth number. Shared access signature. Yes. Right. Here you can give what service they want, right? For example, I only want to allow him blob. So remove file, queue, and table. Give him a service, container, and object. Allowed services, resource type, just click services, container, and object. Then in allowed permission, remove write, delete, leave it read,
Oh, I'm sorry.
right? And then remove add, remove create. You can also set the expiry. For example, if someone want a temporary access, you can allow that from this date to this date, this time to this time, only that key work. After that, the key itself will get expired.
Okay.
Okay, scroll down. Scroll down. You can also restrict from which IP the storage can be accessed. Okay, and then when everything is ready, just click generate SAS connection string. The last one, generate. Yeah, now generated. Scroll down now. You have a blob service SAS URL. Copy that one. Third one. Go back to your Azure storage account. The tool which we installed. You have to click on your taskbar. In a taskbar, it's already running, I think. Yeah. Go last. Yes. Now in a URL, just paste the URL. All good. Just say next. Click connect. Now what you see? What is the difference between top one and below one? In
There
top
is
one, yeah,
a
you
top
get
one has the
access.
keys, and the
You
other
get
one has
access of
the,
blob, file, queue, and table, right?
yeah.
Below only you have a blob. No
Yeah.
file, no queue, no table.
Yeah.
Correct? Expand
Yeah.
that blob. Good. Let's try to click cells. You able to see the file? Why? Because you have a read permission, right?
Yeah.
Let's try upload some file. I have not given you the add permission, right? Go to upload. Yeah. Just select any file. Yeah. Click open. Click upload. Oh, Riti, you say that you do not have a sufficient credential.
Because we removed the ad.
Yes. So you understand the difference between connection string and the SAS URL, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go back to MS Paint, that file which we have done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Scroll down. So what all the security you have? You have a key-based access. You have a SAS-based
That's
access,
great.
right? Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is how you can go and work on the key, the uh, storage account in Microsoft Azure. It's clear so far?
Yeah.
Yes, no? Right? So
Yeah.
with the management, you have a two management. This side, you see, one through a portal, one through a
Storage client.
storage client. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is how people used to work when they are working on Microsoft Azure. But you have used so far only one storage, that is called a blob storage. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. We have another storage also, which is called a file storage. So what is the difference between blob and file? File storage, when will you use? When you want to fix that user can only store the data up to, let's say, 2 GB or 4 GB or 8 GB or 100 GB. If you want to fix the size, so when you use when you want user should have quota. When you want to use blob, when you want unlimited storage, when you use blob, when user has unlimited storage. Remember, whatever the data you are storing, it is going to charge you per MB. Okay? So if you give user unlimited storage, they might start storing their picture, their videos, their personal data also, right? Right? And because of that, company might have to pay a huge price. So for general user, we give them a file storage.
Okay.
Okay. So go back and
Yeah.
create a file storage now and see the difference between. Go back, click on your Azure portal. Yeah, go back to Azure. Yeah, go back, go scroll up. No, this side. Yeah. Click overview and click file share. This side after container there is a file share.
Let's see. Oh yeah.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, exactly. Click file share. Click file share.
Are we adding?
Yeah,
Okay.
just give it a name Preeti. So this file share I am creating for a Preeti. And now you see below something called quota. This quota is not available in blob, right? Because blob is unlimited,
Yeah. Only
right?
file server has it. Yeah.
Yes. So when you give 1 GB, just type 1 GB, click create. Now your file server is created, but in this file server, you cannot upload the data using a portal. So click file, click that. Yeah. Now you see, yeah, just click upload now. Select a file. Yeah, just select that test. Click OK. Click upload. Click this file now, test.txt. Click that URL. Yes, go and paste
Uh,
in the browser. Open a new tab.
come on.
Go to your browser. You are already in a browser now. Just
Yeah.
open a new
Okay.
tab. Yeah.
Okay. How to? Because that was blocking.
Okay. Done.
Oh.
Right. So
Yeah.
file, because this is file. Your laptop, whatever the file you store, that is also file, right? So it means that that file cannot be accessed using the HTTP URL, right? So to
So,
access the
but
file, yeah,
blob can.
blob can, right? Exactly. That why same file is called blob when you upload in container, and same file is called file when you are stored in a file data, right?
Okay.
So to access this file, the only option to use the client, right? So you can use the client and you can download that. Go back to your storage explorer now. Go back to on top one cells. No, file server. Click file server. Currently you are in yeah. Click file server just after sales. Yeah. Expand that. Expand that. Good. Click that one. Now you can only download from here. Okay, you cannot share this file using the URL. So now here in option, you can just download the file, right? So click on download on top. Yeah. Correct. So you have to save this file. Any folder, maybe this. Yeah.
I have to choose from here. I can do it.
Yeah,
C
just
file.
select any folder where you want to save. Yeah. Just click select folder. Yeah. And say select folder. Yeah. Your file is good. Yeah. Say apply to on conflict. So now your file is downloaded to your folder. So this is the only way to access the file server.
Okay. All
Okay.
right.
All right. Now we have one more storage. That is called a queue storage. QUEU. So what is the queue storage says? Let's say for an example, have you ever, not today, but 4 or 5 years back, have you ever faced the incident when you make a payment to any of the e-commerce portal? Let's say this is Amazon.com. Okay.
Mhm.
This is Amazon.com. So 4 or 5 years back, many customers face the challenge that sometimes they order it. Okay. And after the order, suddenly some problem happen and the money deducted from your account, but your order is not completed.
Mm.
Right? This was the incident. But nowadays this is not happen. Why? Because whatever you order from here, it actually go to a backend. Okay. So you have a multiple backend application running here. So one backend application is called, let's say for an example, order. Another backend application is called, for example, transport, right? Or
Mm.
maybe inventory. Another backend is called logistic. So these all are backend softwares, right? So when
Mm.
you perform an order, your order will go to this backend software. Sometimes it happen that your backend will get crashed. So when the backend get crashed, when it accept the payment and when it try to send the payment here, backend is not available. Okay. So
Mm.
actually your bank account, from bank account the payment deducted, but
Mm.
this front end is not able to make the contact with the backend, because backend there are so many services running that many times backend get crashes.
Mm.
Okay. So what the new technology says that between backend and front end, they have a they have installed a queue storage. Okay. So whatever
Mm.
the order you put, it will come into queue first. Since queue does not process the data, it only store the data, so it does not hang, right? Because it
Mm.
is just in a storage. And then
Oh,
from
okay.
this storage, it will pull the data one by one.
Oh, okay.
That is called queue storage. Okay. So what is the queue storage? It is,
So it just stores, but it
yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
save.
yeah. It is
Okay.
a temporary storage.
Okay.
Let's create a queue storage and see what will happen. So go back to the queue storage. Go back to the Azure product.
Mm.
Click back. Click on back. Click on back. That black screen.
Oh, black screen. Okay.
Go back to Azure.
Okay. Oh, that's the class.
First one.
Okay.
Now click Preeti 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now click overview again and scroll down. Now you have a queue. Click a queue. Let's say Amazon order. Yeah. Click OK. Good. Click that Amazon order. Now you have something called messages. So here we do not have a file and folder. Here it's something called data, right? So just click add message. Just say 1 kg potato. 1 kg tomato. Enter. So let's say this is the order of the customer, right? So this message will store in this queue for 7 days. You can increase and decrease the size below, right?
Mhm.
Right. Just click OK. Now another customer give you order. So just say add message again. And just remove that and say 1 TB. 1 TV.
Is it
1
TV?
TV, yeah, television.
Okay.
1 mobile. Now this is a second customer order. And click OK. Got that? So this way it store the messages. So even if the backend server is down for any chance, your message is still safe. Your
Yeah.
order is placed. Okay. So many
Yeah.
times it happens that when you put an order on Amazon type of e-commerce site, many times the backend connectivity was not there because of XYZ reason. But still Amazon is able to take your order, you able to make your cart. So where it is go and save? It is go and save in temporary storage. So you as a customer happy, Amazon is also happy because they do not lose the order of the customer, right?
Yeah.
There is no dispute. Understand the key storage now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the some storages in Microsoft Azure Preeti. Okay. So how you go? You are going to store your data. Microsoft Azure provide various way. They also provide the security also, right? How you can connect the data, how you can access the data. Correct?
You have blob and your file and queue.
Yeah.
Okay.
All good, right? So now
Yeah.
go and clean up everything. So go to the three dot. You have a Microsoft Azure there, and then click three dot. Yeah. Click resource all resources. It only seeing just click Preeti 1, 2, 3, 4. Select that. No. Click checkbox. Okay, no problem. You have only one storage. So just delete that. Click delete. This side you have option on top.
This one?
Yeah, good. Just type here Preeti 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Click delete. All good. So everything is clear, right? So tomorrow we are going to see the database.
Okay. And also the I think last two
Yeah.
classes. Yeah. If you can upload it.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Preeti,
Yeah.
when you anytime when you open a Facebook, try to
Yeah.
check if you able to get the advertisement of take place because we run the ad there.
Okay.
Okay. So when you open your Facebook now, we run in a Texas region especially. So might be
Okay.
you see a tick. If you notice, you just maybe let me know that yes, you are able to see that.
Okay, I can check and see.
Okay, take care. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.